What's up guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit 1 billion times faster. If you're a video editor and you work a lot on Premiere Pro, you will have to use this trick because it will save you a lot of time, and time is precious. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do here is to cut this part of the clip where I don't talk with the normal editing tools and shortcuts that already come with Adobe Premiere Pro. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the 1 billion times faster trick to give you a proof that with this trick you will save a ton of time. So let's get started. I'm gonna start here with both clips. So 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so I'm gonna drag it about here. I'm gonna click on C on my keyboard. I'm gonna click here. Then I'm gonna take this thing maybe about here. Then I click on V. I select this part of the clip. I select the clip from before and I drag it back here. Okay. So it took kind of a long time to just edit that little part. And now I'm gonna show you how much time it takes with the 1 billion times faster trick. So I'm gonna go back. All right, I'm gonna start here again. And in 3, 2, 1, go. I'll go here. Here. That's it. Oh my god guys, did you saw that? That is magic. With this trick you will edit like 1 billion times faster your videos. So let's get started and I'm gonna show you how to set up this. So to do this you will go on edit, then you will go on keyboard shortcuts, and then you will see this. So if you have a mouse and you have buttons on your mouse, you'll be able to use the buttons on your mouse. For me, I don't have a mouse right now and I'm just using it with my keyboard. So for me, I assigned it to F2, F3 and F4. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first I'm gonna just delete my previous settings that I had there. And I'm gonna start with F2. So with F2, you're just gonna click there and you're gonna search for add edit. You're gonna select this, add edit, then you will click on this shortcut, basically here, right beside this Control plus K, and you will click on F2. Then you will go to this F3, and you're gonna write select previous clip. Then click right beside Control up and click on F3. Then go to F4. You don't even have to go to F4 there, but anyways, it's just easier to understand. And you're gonna search for ripple delete, and with this application edit ripple delete, you're gonna click right beside shift plus delete and you're gonna click on F4. So for me, this is how to set it up, and you will click on OK. You can also choose other buttons in your keyboard, other keys on your keyboard. It will work just fine if you do the proper settings. Then you will go on OK, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right. So with F2, you just cut the clip. So here I click on F2. For you, it will maybe not be the same key, but for me, I choose the F2. So F2 is just to cut the clip. F2. I press again on F2. Then I press on F3. F3, what does it do? It just go to the previous clip. So F3, it goes to this clip. If I click again on F3, it will go to this clip here. So you see, it always go to the previous clip with F3. So I'm gonna go back here, F3. And with F4, what it will do, it will just delete the clip that is presently select. And if you have another clip after, it will move it right beside the clip before. So if I click on F4, you saw that it deleted the clip that I wanted to delete, and it moved the clip that was here and move it back here. Okay, so if I do it fast, it is F2, F2, F3, F4. That's it. And you can do it anywhere. That's it. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it will help you to save a ton of time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.